Hey, what up, Go fam? Hope you guys have a wonderful day or start to your day wherever you are. Today, I'm going to be going over how to download the Go Autopilot automation software on Windows desktop. So first things first, what you need to do is open a browser. It could be either Google Chrome, DuckDuckGo, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. So I already have a tab open here. So I'm going to go up here. There we go. What I'm going to do is click on my browser, type in whop.com, hit enter. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is going to go on the side of Whop, on your left-hand side, the menu, go to Go Algo, where you subscribe to the subscription. Boom. And you should be pulled up to your, basically, what you have access to. So right now, we're previewing the automation bundle. So if you're subscribed to automation bundle, you get access to the Discord here. As you can see, you get access to Discord. You get access to downloading the new Go Autopilot software. Right now, it's only available for Windows, but coming very, very shortly, we're going to bring it on Mac OS and for Linux as well. And then if you're also subscribed to the automation bundle, you get access to the built-in strategies that we have that you can go straight out of the box and apply to the Go Autopilot software. So you get access to Auto Radar, Buy the Dip, and Scalper, which are the strategies that are easily to be automated. So let's go right into downloading the new Go Autopilot software here. There we go. We're going to hit download. Bam. Immediately, if you go to the top right, your browser should be downloading this. I already have it downloaded. So I'm going to right click here and then hit open. There we go. I'm going to hit run. Right now, it's going to be running. I'm going to close this browser out. You don't need this anymore. So in the installation option, you can either choose to download this for your entire computer. So every profile in the computer that has a login can use this software, or you can use it only specifically for this login profile within your Windows desktop. So I'm going to just use it for this Windows desktop. Hit next, hit install. Right now it's installing. And once it completes installing, you can select either to run it on immediately launch it and run on desktop, or you can right click in the application icon and launch it itself. So let's wait for a complete here. Alrighty, it's all complete. I'm gonna hit finish and run Go Autopilot. And there we go. You have access to the new Go Algo Go Autopilot software automation system. Next video, I'm gonna be showcasing the ins and outs of the new Go Autopilot software, what we have added, what the features are, and everything. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.